Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a lovely day today. It's Saturday the 26th of March. It's just turned 3 o'clock. I want to take you through. It's probably 21, 23 degrees today. Pivot's responding really well. All the new growth. This will need cutting in a few weeks. As we come around here, I'm just going to show you everything. I just had its first water, its first feed of the season. I normally do it with a liquid feeder that sprays it. A Miracle Grow one, but it's broken, so I need to buy a new one of those. So I've done it with a watering can, which has saved me some time, which saved me some money actually. I've used a lot less feed than I normally would do. But yeah, fuchsia here, just coming, you can see that. Beautiful new growth. As we come down here, hollyhocks looking nice. Shut the gate, folks. Here we have perennial geraniums that are looking really well. Some daylilies. We have some foxgloves digitalis there. Some alliums just coming through there. Some more daylilies. These are the ones that have survived. These are poppies. As you can see there, that has been absolutely hammered with slugs and snails. So we decided to try and not use any slugs or snail killer this year. So things have been left. As you can see there, I planted several around here. See there, it's been eaten. Never mind. Yep, this lupin is looking really nice. Beautiful. These are absolutely, look how golden yellow they are. Absolutely amazing. You come round, I love the shadows of the hedge. Come round here. Look at that again, man. Amazing flowers. Easter bonnet there, Aquilegia. You come up here. This is a white carnation. The nickname from his pinks. But this will flower really well this year. Look, I buried it last year and it's managed to sell fruit. It's survived a runner there, so I can separate that plant this year. I'll probably take the cuttings off here as well. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, primulas. I think that was from Thompson & Morgan, that one. I have a white Diacentra bleeding heart there. That has never done well at all. Another lupin here that hasn't really done very much. Hopefully it'll do better this year. Another poppy there that survived. Japanese anemones there. Look at these, absolutely gorgeous. You can see those properly. Absolutely. These are an old-fashioned, absolutely gorgeous daffodil. I just love the colours of those. Then we have peony at the bottom there, just coming through nicely. Another Aquilegia. These are all self-seeders, hollyhocks, and I love the colours of them. But I'll spray them for rust next few days. This is a delphinium, a dwarf one that I grew from seed several years ago. I might dig it up and divide it because that's probably the best it's looked for several years, that one. Some more hollyhocks, some more daffodils here to come out, some old-fashioned varieties. A beautiful old-fashioned peony in the corner there. Here's my little tree with all the bird feeders in there. The birds absolutely love it in the morning. Come down here, we have my clematis, and it is just starting to send out some new shoots. There we go, beautiful. Come down here, see how old this hollyhock is. Look at the roots on there, that is so old. And it has a beautiful lupin just at the back there. That's what this is in for. I'm going to paint this green so I can tie it around the tree and just keep the lupin, because the lupins get up to about here, about 4 foot high. 4 foot high, so they need tying in. When we come round, we have my oriental poppy there, Diane Joyce it's called. Daylilies, Aquilegias. As we come down here, some more hollyhocks. I've got some giant lilies to come up. Tree lilies that should be gorgeous. The smell of them is divine. Then we come down here, Aqualegia in the corner there. We have a bleeding heart here, Dicentra. Trying to buy it, I think that's a Icelandic poppy there. We have a Papavera somniferum variety there. That's managed to survive that one. Next to a beautiful peony. Then we have Aqualegia, if you just see it there. Just there, Aqualegia, I think it's a white one. This could be grown from seed. And then another one there, and another one here. That survived really well to see all the damage they've had from the slugs and snails. This bleeding heart has responded really well this year. I mean, look at those flowers, absolutely gorgeous. Next to the lupin that was grown from seed last year. And we have my bearded irises here that need digging up, because there's some weeds in there as well. They need digging up, dividing. I'll probably bin half of these because, as you can see, they go outwards and leave it like barren on the inside, just the way they grow. Because the roots do like to be baked in some sun. It really helps them flower. So I'll dig those up, divide them, pot some up, probably give some away. And then we have primula there, next to this. I think it's a white hollyhock, but it always seems to suffer really badly with caterpillar damage, that one. And as we come down here, there's a lupin, grown from seed last year. And then we have Crocosmia, Lucifer it's called, this one. It's trying to come through there. And then we go around there, some more primulas around there. And this is the penstemon. Beautiful red one, this one. And that should respond really well to the first feed. These are the pots that were on the back. These have got agapanthus in them, with some foxgloves, that one. This one has got some dahlias in. I don't know if they've survived yet, but I'll cut them back and hopefully get some new shoots from those. And then some more Delphinium, some more agapanthus. The ones at the back here are high-brown. These have been grown for 3 years now, so hopefully they'll flower this year. Then we have Climate here, which always only grows a single stem that every year. We have Cottage cream. It smells absolutely divine. As we come round here, this is a double clematis hanging onto this Cottage cream climb behind it, which smells absolutely divine. It's a self-seeded silver birch, which I'm going to plant just up there, just near the lupins at the back there. Then we have some more grown from seed agapanthus, some blue agapanthus down there. Then we have in the pots here, after your peonies in pots, just potted this one up this year from a pot that size. So they should grow really well. So yeah, that's basically it. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.